Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching Docker. First, make sure Docker Desktop is installed and set to use the WSL2 backend. This gives better performance. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS if required and turn on Windows Subsystem for Linux in features. Next, sign into Docker Desktop and wait until the daemon display is running. Then open the Docker Desktop menu. You will use this to access the integrated terminals and WSL distributions for the next steps. Now you open the actual terminal where you run Docker commands. From Docker Desktop, click the terminal icon or select a WSL distro to open an integrated shell. This gives direct access to containers and images. Alternatively, open PowerShell or command prompt and run Docker ps to verify connectivity. If you need a Linux shell, run WSL. exd Docker Desktop or WSLD your distro. Make sure Docker context is set correctly. Switch contexts with Docker context use if it points. Finish by ensuring your terminal talks to the correct Docker engine and that containers are reachable. Use Docker context ls and Docker context use to select the right context. Then run Docker run or Docker compose up to validate. If things fail, restart Docker Desktop and perform WSL shutdown to reset WSL2, then reopen the terminal. Also check Docker Desktop troubleshoot logs or container logs with Docker logs container for specific errors. If permissions block sockets, run the shell as administrator or adjust WSL integration settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.